Hey everyone. So is Dropbox showing a sync pending error? Maybe your files aren't updating or the sync icon keeps spinning without completing. Yeah, that can be super annoying when you rely on Dropbox to keep your files up to date. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix the Dropbox sync pending error in 2026, and most of these fixes take just a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs a reliable connection to sync files, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network and ensure it's working properly. Next, try restarting Dropbox. Close the app completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often resolves temporary sync issues. Make sure the files or folders causing the pending error don't have special characters. Dropbox can't sync files with slashes, colons, or other unsupported characters in their names. Check both your Dropbox account and device storage. If either is full, Dropbox won't be able to sync new files, which can cause a pending status. You can also try pausing and resuming syncing. Click the Dropbox icon, choose Pause Syncing, wait a few seconds, then select Resume Syncing. If none of the previous steps work, try reinstalling Dropbox. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent sync pending errors. And that's it. Most Dropbox sync pending errors can be fixed by checking your connection, renaming files, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.